So this is the second sum. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. See, here it's telling Mr. Kaushik has a square plot. This is his plot, her plot, with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. She wants to construct the house here, in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around. See, around her house, a garden is developed. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 per meter square. Per meter square is rupees 55. So she wants to build a garden around her house. So shall we find the first we'll find the area to find the total cost? No. So what is the formula here? First we'll find the area of a square. Second sum we'll do now. Area of a square minus area of a rectangle. See, if we find the area of a square, if we minus the area of square with the area of rectangle, only then we'll get to know the rest. The thing we have to, the garden is developed at the house rate rupees 55. No, see, if we minus both of it, only then you'll get to know how much she need the meters, how many meters she need to build a house in the middle. So what is the formula of area of a square? Area of square is side square, no? Side the whole square minus area of rectangle is, what is the formula? Length into breadth. What is the side given in the question? 25 meters. See, the side of the plot is 25 meters. So 25 the whole square minus length given in the question is length here. See, this is the length, this is the breadth. Length is 15 meter, breadth is 20 meters. So 15 into 20. 25. If you multiply 25 twice, what will you get? 25 into 25 is equals to 625 minus 15 into 20 is how much? 300. No, 300. So now we can minus 625 minus 300. What will you get the answer here as? 325. No, 325. Now what is it? What is the question telling? Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. See, you got the answer here, 325 meters. Now, and he is telling rupees 55. 1 meter is rupees 55. So how many meters you got here? 325 meters. No, so we have to multiply 325 into 55. What will you get the answer? Is rupees 55. No, so you'll get the answer here as 17,875 rupees. So this is your answer of the second sum. See, here you got the meters as 325. What is the question telling? The question is telling 55 meter per rupees per meter is rupees 55. You got 325 meters. So if you multiply with 1 meter, you will get the total cost. Now we'll do the third sum. What is the third question telling us? The shape of a garden is a rectangular in the middle. See, the shape of a garden is a rectangle in the middle, no? And semicircle at the end as shown in the diagram. See, here it's a rectangle and here it is semicircle, no? Even this is a semicircle, no? Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Length of a rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meters. See here, this is a rectangle. Here this is semicircles. There are two semicircles. It is asking us to find the area and the perimeter. It is asking us to find area and perimeter. So what will we take here? Area, the formula of area of a rectangle and semicircle. Formula of perimeter of rectangle and these two semicircles. Now, so shall we do the solution of this sum? Okay, now third sum. What did he ask first? He asked of us area of the two semicircles. See, area of a rectangle and area of two semicircles. These are two semicircles. Now, this is one semicircle. Semicircle is nothing but half circle. Even this is a half circle, and this is a rectangle. No, so we'll find the area of a rectangle and area of a semicircle. So what is the formula here? Area of two semicircle. There are two semicircles. What is the formula of two semicircles? See, the formula, area of semicircle formula is what? 1 by 2 pi. Pi r square. This is the formula of one semicircle. If it's two semicircles, we'll put here 2, right? 2 into. Now area of rectangle. Now what is the formula of area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth, right? Now we'll see. 2 into 1 by 2 pi r square. See, pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7. We all know that. But radius is, you don't know. What is, see, you didn't get the radius. To find the radius, what is the formula? Radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. No, this is the formula to find the radius. You have to multiply it with half. The diameter which you get in the question, you have to divide that with half. No, twice. See, what is the diameter given here? 2. The diameter is 2 in the question. So to find the radius, we'll divide 7 by 2. So to find the radius is equals to, the diameter here is 7 by 2. This is your radius. Now see, now shall we put the values according to the formula? 2 as it is into 1 by 2. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. The value of pi is always 22 by 7, no? Into r. What is radius here? We got 7 by 2. So 7 by 2. It is telling r square. Once radius is 7 by 2. Twice, no? So one more time we'll put 7 by 2. That's all. Is equals to, what is the length given in the question here? Length here is, okay, see, to find the length here, we have to see, he has given us the hint. See, 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. See, length of a rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. See, 3.5 plus 3.5 is nothing but 7, no? 7 and 20. 20 minus 7 is how much? 13. See, 20 minus 7 is equals to 13. See, in the hint, it has given in the question. See, in the hint, it has given the length of a rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. So what will you get after solving this? You will get the answer as 13, no? So what is the length here in the question? 13. The length here is, length as given in the question is 13. Now breadth, this is breadth and this is length. Breadth is 7 meters into 7. That's all. Now what we can cancel here? See, shall we solve this? 2 ones are 2. 2 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2. See, you can cancel here only, no? 2 ones are and 2 ones are here. So what is left here? You won't get this. You can cancel this and this also. 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This much only you will get. No, we'll cancel out, no? 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. So what is left here? 11 into 7 is 77. Is equals to 77 divided by what? 11 see, 11 is left here and 7 is left. 11 7s are 77. Now what more is left? 2, right? So we'll put here in the denominator's place 2. What is left? 77 divided by 2. Now if you divide 77 divided by 2, what will you get the answer? 77 divided by 2 is nothing but 38 0.5. We'll get this as answer. Now what is this? We forgot about this, no? Is equal to 13 into 7 is how much? 91. So you got the answer here, 38.5 is equal to 91. You will put here minus 91. What will you get the answer here? 129.5 meter square. See, now you got this here as the answer, no? This is the area, therefore area is equal to 129.5 meter square is your answer. Area, not answer, only the area. He has asked us how many? He has asked us to find the area. We found the area now. We got the area here, 129.5 meter square. Now we have to find the perimeter. So what's the formula of perimeter? So here we'll write perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle here? Plus perimeter of semicircle. See, you have to be good in formulas to do mensuration chapter. Now perimeter of rectangle, what is the formula here? Perimeter is 2 into length. Plus perimeter of semicircle, what is the formula? Same formula, 2 pi r. That's all. Now here we'll put the values according to the formulas now. 2, 2. What is the length you got? 13. Plus what is 2 into what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into radius. What is the radius here? Radius you got 7 by 2. We already calculated this now to find the area. Now what we can cancel here? 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. Now what is left? 2 and 11 is left. 2 into 11 is 22. Now this we forgot. Now 2 into 13 is what? 2 into 13 is 26. So what is left here? Now you got the answer here as 26 and here as 22. 26 plus 22 is how much? Is equals to 48. So your answer is 48 meter. See, the answer of this is, you got the area. What did you get the area in the question? You got the area as 129.5 meter square. Now what you got the perimeter here? You got the perimeter as 48 meter. See, he has asked us to find the area and perimeter. We found the area and perimeter. That's all.